Okay, so I thought I'd just do a quick video about what happens if you want to keep the same judge for your case. Now, that's called judicial continuity, and in an ideal world, you will have the same judge from start to finish for your entire case. You can probably imagine why. It's good to have someone that knows what's happened from start to finish, knows you, knows your ex, knows the situation. And like I say, in an ideal world, that is exactly what happens, and the court will try to do that. Often, a judge will reserve a case to themselves, and that's what they'll do their best to happen. But, and there's always a but, the courts are overwhelmed. There are so many people making applications, there are so many cutbacks, that although that's what people want to happen, it doesn't always happen. Even a judge who does reserve a case to himself, sometimes you'll get to a hearing and you'll find it's a different person. Often, and you'll probably have seen this when you go to a court hearing, that when it comes to the end of the hearing and they're looking at dates in the diary for the next hearing, they'll be going through their diary. Sometimes the judge has got a diary on their desk. Sometimes they'll call the listings office on the telephone and try and find a slot for your next hearing. And it might be they haven't got a slot. It might be that they're on holiday, they're back to back with other hearings. It might be that they're going to be somewhere else. Judges are busy. And so when they look at your next hearing and they want it to be in 3 months' time, and they realise they're not going to be able to make it for 5, 6, 7 months, they have to make a judgment call, pardon the pun. Is it better that you hang around even longer, your child hangs around even longer, waiting for them to be available, or to get someone else to do it, to deal with it as soon as possible? So that's what happens. Now, I think we'll agree that a delay is not in your best interest of your children. Neither is having a different judge, but by this stage, they're often looking at the least worst situation. So yeah, in an ideal world, you have the same judge. You can ask for you can also ask for a judge to reserve a case for themselves. The courts will try and actually enable judicial continuity, but it doesn't happen sometimes for practical reasons. I hope this helps.